Hey kids, welcome to Kids VR. This is an interactive video, so remember to look up and down and side to side. In today's video, we have some of my favourite Disney girls. We are going to play a game with them. I'll give you the clues and you find the matching princess. First clue. I was the first Disney princess and I have 7 little friends. Second clue. If Simba is the king of the jungle, then I am the queen. Third clue. Ohana means family and Stitch is my family. Fourth clue. My prince has a flying carpet and a genie. Fifth question. I went on an adventure with a demigod to return the heart of Te Fiti. Sixth question. I fell down a rabbit's hole and met a Mad Hatter and the Queen of Hearts. Seventh question. I'm the rootinest, tootinest cowgirl. Eighth question. I traded my voice for the chance to be a human. Ninth question. I'm a young queen learning to control my icy powers. And the last question, I just kept swimming until I found my family. Did you get them all? Let us know if you got them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And please tell us what you'd like our next video to be.